Made Up. It's your girl Diane, and today we are opening my November Boxycharm, which came surprisingly early. I can't believe how early it came. For you guys that don't know out there, Boxycharm is a subscription service that you sign up for each month. It's about $25 a month, and you get at minimum $125 worth of beauty products. That could be makeup, skincare, or beauty tools, things like that. I always wonder, how do they decide who gets like shipped out first? Like, I wonder if there's like a wheel like spinning with everyone's order numbers, or like, how do they decide that? Because sometimes I don't get mine till the 17th, and then this month I got it on the 8th. Not complaining, just saying I loved getting it on the 8th. I was super excited for this box. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get my box open. Please excuse my messy bun today. I just thought, she cute. So I will say this, I have gone through these products to see what I got because I was so excited. Boxycharm was just really pushing this Natasha Denona eye palette. And it was like, most of you are gonna get it, but some of you won't. And I was like, am I gonna be that person who doesn't get that palette? And y'all know my beauty quiz, I answer with a lot of skincare, like that's my preferred thing to get. So I was like, gosh, is it too late to change? And I was like, yeah, I better not mess with anything, but wah, wah, wah. I didn't get it. So I can't say that I'm shocked though, because I do answer my beauty quiz with a lot of skincare options. I will say this, I've been getting eyeshadow palettes. Like the last 2 months, I got eyeshadow palettes. So of course, the one time where Natasha Denona does an exclusive eyeshadow for Boxycharm, I don't get it, of course. But that's okay. My variation this month was variation number 53. I got this 111 skin. Is it 111? Is it 111? I'm gonna go with 111 Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. Now I will say, I am happy to get this. This is $135 value. That's insane. Insane. This is what it looks like here. Let's open her up here. Offhand, I'm not smelling any scents, which is good. I know a lot of you don't like fragrance out there. I'm going to drop this on my hand. Okay, let's see. So it is a gel-like consistency. I like that. All right, well, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this on my face. I will say that hyaluronic acid, I don't use this in my skincare right now, and the reason being is because hyaluronic acid is supposed to pull moisture into your skin. That being said, from what I understand, if you live in a dry climate, there's nowhere to get that moisture from, so it will end up drying out your skin even more because it's gonna pull that moisture from your lower layers of skin and pull it to the forefront, but really it's just drying out your skin. So if there is nowhere for the hyaluronic acid to get its moisture, it will pull it from your own skin. That is actually why I don't use this product. Now, I'm still gonna try it because it came in my box and she's $135, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna do my best to hydrate my skin and drink a lot of water and hope and pray that she gets her moisture from somewhere out there. Now, interestingly enough, my next product is also hyaluronic acid, or it's from Farsali, and it's called Quench. It's a serum that helps replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. So it's another hyaluronic acid. Why I have two in my Boxycharm, I wouldn't know why they would put two. Now, that being said, like I said, I answer my beauty quiz with the answers of preferring skincare, but two hyaluronic acid serums, it just seems like a bit much. Okay, so also no scent on this. Similar texture, it is gel-like, clear. It feels exactly the same. So I will give these both a try. Who knows, maybe they'll have a battle of the bands type situation happening. I don't know, but that is it. All right, so my next product up is from Jekka Black, I'm saying that right. It is a liquid corrector 2.0. This retails for $15, and this is a perfect under eye brightener which disguises darkness and evens out skin tones. Here's the product there. Let's take, oh, it's like a lip gloss too. Let's go ahead and take this out. I'm sure this hand is like going through it today. All right, so it's a pink shade, pretty thin, but it doesn't roll, but it is a thin product. So I would actually not use pink for my skin corrector. I believe this works better for a fairer shade. For my tone, if I'm using a color corrector, it's going to be on the light orange side. That works best for problems with my skin, such as hyperpigmentation, or if I am a little bit darker under the eyes, I can use that light orange. But for the most part, I'm not doing too much color correcting. Foundation and spot concealing really handles, you know, what I'm working with on my skin. That being said, I will give this a try and, you know, we'll see. Maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. Next up was these half-caked Game Changer 3 lip fondants. I guess it's called a lip fondant trio on here. It looks like a little card, like playing cards case. So cute, love that. And then the 3 shades that it comes with here. Oh, and the packaging, I love this. This is so cute. And these colors, for the most part, are usually very complementary to my skin tone. These are the colors that I would go for. Sometimes shades like these can come out a little too pink, so we'll see later on in the video how this works out for me. That lip trio retails for $32. All right, and last but not least was my choice item, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow and Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. Believe it or not, I actually have never used this, so that's why it was my choice item. This is $24. For my brow situation, what I like is I just tweeze. I do a little bit of either a slim pencil or a pomade. More recently, I've been using a pomade, just quick and easy. And then I will go in with a brow gel once in a while. But typically it's clear. I go for a very natural style brow. I can achieve those looks with less costly products. I am very excited to try, and who knows, this might be so amazing. It might make a believer out of me. I'm sure it will be great. I'm looking forward to giving this a try, which is why it was my choice item. So stay tuned, maybe this will be mind-blowing. Let's total up these products to see how much value we got in our box today. And I know it's gonna be a lot because of that first product. All right, so my total today was $230 in my box today. Love that, amazing value. So $125 is the minimum value you can get, and then of course it can go up from there. So I'm really happy with that box, except for my Natasha Denona, meaning I can get $230 worth of value, but I can't get a little 5 trio palette. Anyway, I'm not bitter. Let's go ahead and get started with trying this stuff on so you guys can see a little bit of application. Obviously, with these guys, we won't know if they work. I would say all of skincare, you really need at minimum a good 30 days to see the true benefits. Now, that being said, some products can work wonders in just days, or even a day. Sometimes you put a product on, go to sleep, and then the next morning your life changes. But on average, I would say a good skincare product, you really need to give a product at least 30 days to try. So I will do that for these products. But let's go ahead and try the makeup products that we did get. Let's try them on. Looks like, I think this is shade 5. I think that's how it goes. I didn't see any other shade names or anything on the box, so I think it's number 5. And I'm just gonna go in, I'm not gonna fill in my brows. I'm just gonna go in with the product itself because I wanna see what it's actually capable of. In the future, I'll probably still go in with some sort of pomade or a light pencil underneath that, but I think it did a pretty good job for just being on its own, so glad to have tried this. Okay, So the next up is the Half Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. From what I can see, I feel like this is a matte form that, yes, this is supposed to dry completely matte. Definitely love these colors, right? I love this. These are up my alley for sure. I am going to put on the shade in Theme Song just because we're doing a light makeup today, but the colors are absolutely gorgeous. Love the shade Trio. Okay, so that is the lip color there. I do really like the shade. For sure, this looks good on me. I like that, if I don't say so myself. Okay, upon first application, it is a very thin formula, which is common in a lot of mattes, but it's thinner than most. When I would drag it across or try to tight line my lips with the tip, it would remove the color because I put too much pressure, like where the tip was. It wouldn't stay pigmented and I'd have to go back around. So it doesn't seem that pigmented. That being said, I did only use one swipe of the brush. I'm not a person that like goes back in, and I've never done that with any sort of liquid lip. It is less pigmented than some other liquid lip formulas that I have tried, but it's still nice. Like, this is the end result. I do see how it could be a little bit drying. A lot of liquid mattes typically are, but we'll see if it's too drying. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had a good time watching. If you like what you saw today, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you soon.